Okay, people, I'm here in Ijebu-Ode. Ijebu-Ode, I don't know where exactly I am in Ijebu-Ode, but I'm in Ijebu-Ode and I'm at one place, Odogbolu Local Government Traffic Task Office. That's where I am. So they said I passed through a place that is that there's a signpost, no U-turn, though I didn't see it. So the guy stopped me and said that, do I live in Ijebu-Ode? I said no, that I'm coming from Lagos. He said, oh, okay, because I am a guest, that I should follow him to the office so that he can correct me, and then I would go. And I listened to him. That was deception anyways. And I listened to him. I followed him to their office, and the moment I got there, they seized my car key. And I said, I can't even sit in my car. As I speak with you, look at them. As I speak with you, they are holding onto my car, that I cannot, my car keys with them, and their office is hot, so I have to sit in my car with the AC. They said I cannot sit in my car, and they seized my car key, that I should pay a fine of 15,000 naira. That is the fine I'm supposed to pay on a place that I don't live, and I don't know their law, and there was no signpost. So I'm telling this man that he should take me there. Let me see the U-turn, because as far as I'm concerned, I'm a law-abiding citizen. Everybody knows that. As far as I'm concerned, I felt like, okay, let me see the offense that I've committed. And then he said I cannot even. I even said the officer that came in with me should follow me back so we can see where the signpost is. And they're saying no, that I cannot move from here. Yeah, Ijebu-Ode, Odogbolu Local Government Traffic Task Office. Yeah, I'm waiting for, I've called Uncle Jide. I have not seen this in my life. At least if you know that I was wrong, road safety, a lot of times they arrest people and they give the receipt right there and then. You will not trick people to your office. As far as I'm concerned, I was tricked here. The guy said because I'm a visitor, I should come to their office for correction. I don't live in Ijebu-Ode, for fuck's sakes. I'm waiting. Even police officers will not do this. It's funny. Immediately I was treated like a criminal. You don't understand? Give me my car key. I want to take my phone in my car. They said no. Let me close my door. I said no. Me, you understand why that money me? Come to me. Me, why? Why? Kill it over drive. Ma fi kokoro moto wa lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé fẹ́ kokoro moto lẹ fún yín ni? Ṣé fẹ́ kokoro moto lẹ fún yín ni? E mu le ko moto e sile ni mi ile wonu moto mi ile jókòó sínú moto mi. Ṣé fẹ́ fi kí lẹ fún yín ni? Kokoro wa lọ́wọ́ yín already. I don't understand. I've not seen this in my life. It don't mean anymore, because you got to say I've got me ready. He said I should come and climb Okada. Oh yeah, you know Lenu. Don't ever boo me, don't be rude to me, me boo you. I respect you. Me boo you. But when someone say me, so got rude to you. So I respect you, if you're not be respect you. I respect you. Fifth don't show what do I call that? Fifth don't show check Kimini. Okay, no wala. Have fun. Osumio. What you said to me, more an Ijebu-Ode, and go for our fellow ya film, your camera, I walk on Fiba, and go for and let us walk on the camera. Hey, walk on the camera, hey, the man was Mojo Junction. Mobile for town hall. Let me show you their faces. I worry. Nobody is talking to you. Because my buying sorrow. Shine for me to go to me. I be like motor actually. Come on, show me cash of one year. Someone get the ballet. Can you watch it? You two, you are hearing. It's good. Thank God it is live. So there's no way anybody will say I cut and join anything. They are not police officers. So. We are transferred from local government. We are not police officers. Local government. And so local task force. And so local government. Say illegal turning. No, she move on. Mama ibi ba ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni kí n tẹ̀lé wọnú ọ́fíìsì yìí mo tẹ̀lé ẹni kí n pack mọ́tò mo bọ́lẹ̀ mo wọnú ọ́fíìsì mi wọnú ọ́fíìsì kí ló ti mi nílé wájú yín ó dà mo ti gbọ́ ẹ má bínú mo ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nù. Illegal turn. I don't understand the illegal turning he's talking about. He said that when I got into his office, he told me that okay, we should go back to the place so that he can show me the U-turn. I said no wahala. Let me bring Jamalu mini. Emalu. So he now said that. Oh. So he said I should turn and that we should go back to the place and check. I said, okay, no wahala. Let us go back to bed. He said I cannot go with my car anymore. That I should take Okada. How? How? You know, the painful thing is the guy tricked me to this place. That's my pain. He said, no worry, let me take you to our office for correction and they will release you because you are not an Ijebu, you don't live in Ijebu. He should have just told me right there and then, if whatever ticket that they have, cut it and give me. I want no safety man shebe. Kí ni yàtọ̀? Ṣebí traffic like that just ṣe. Where are you? Me moruko bi by say mobile for town hall. Mobile for town hall. People are here. No, the banks are already live. Instagram live, the mobile. Yes, hey, that's my. You don't understand. The guy should have just said, you have done something wrong, you are arrested. At least. You won't tell me that because you are a guest, let's make correction. Let me take you to our office so you can be corrected. What is that for? Is that not trick? Oh, buying sorry, me number sorrow live in the no, I mean their office. They are not area boys. They work here. No, the guy brought out form, a list of payment. He said if I'm an indigent, I'll pay 25,000. But because I'm a guest, I should pay 15,000. I don't feel any. I want to remember some Mambari. You must give me any. Any kind of money me go kada. Any time go come. Mo no wun yin ke gun ni. Mo o wun yin je ko yato si. He said in the climb Okada. Say if he pay am na him make am decline Okada. That one I said me I no fit climb Okada. You wey dey climb uncle? Ohun yin ni now. Ohun yin ni. Abeg you ma do agbadu wa lo.
Down, say, my brother.
Juma Mubarak Bawu, you don't. You don't understand what I'm saying. Maybe the guy for just tell me for there instead of carrying me come here. You don't carry offense. So he can't lie to me say I know nothing that make I just come here they correct me. You can't lie come here. If you just tell me for there, say oh yeah, you go pay social amount for there. So if they say I go beg, I go beg. If they say we go talk, we go talk. But you can't tell me say I be guest, make I follow you go their office say make they correct me. Why did you do that? This is my that is the problem. Siski, let me sit down in my car. There's no way I want to move the car without key now. They open the so camera so you can hear his voice. Na comedian, make a carry and go location. When I go in lossy film, comedian ni. No, not this. You don't even allow me to talk. This was just for make you drop. One king being work a Maya film, play funny. Talo ma gbé yín lọ film. Ẹ̀yin tí wà yín ò dá.
Ilé tí ó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìjọ tí mo Adémọ́lá bí mo sọ fún àbí ọ̀dà. Ó fún wọn lówó tó fún mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́ni.
Ẹ mú ìwà ọ̀gá mi ni mú ìwà. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ 7 doors ẹ mọ oye tó ń pa ni.
Gbogbo wa ló ti wá ṣe. Gbogbo ló ti ṣe. Wọ́n fẹ́ bóòlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́.
Ibẹ̀ náà ni mò ń lọ.
Ọkẹ́wọ́ dẹ̀ àjẹkọ̀ bóòlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìtọ́jú dágbé ní àjẹkọ̀ bóòlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ máa yẹ fìyẹn lẹ̀ ẹ má wọrí pa olówó lẹ́dẹ́.
Òun náà jáwó ẹ̀yọ̀ àfẹ́ yàwó ẹ máa sanwó 200,000 lọ́wọ́ fún wa mílíọ̀nù kẹ́ tó lọ mú kí wọn wá yọmú kẹ́ wá mọ̀ ẹgbà
ẹ ṣe o
200,000.